Our community really has a lot of special traditions this time of year.
Yes, and one of them is the annual tree lighting. This night included all sorts of fun family activities like winter carriage rides, ornament decorating, and face painting. The Valley Forge Military Academy and College Choir also sang Christmas carols at the Wayne train station. Cassie Rosen and Meg Partridge attended the event. Let's take a look.
Thanks, guys. I'm Cassie Rosen here in the center of Wayne at the annual Christmas tree lighting festival. It is currently 39 degrees outside and showering, so let's go have a good time. I'm here with Jackson. It's really cold outside. What are you doing to stay warm?
I'm giving people free hot coffee and hot chocolate.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
Is up, upside down and trading for a package of sunshine and ravioli, macaroni.
So I'm here with Noah. Are you enjoying this? Are you enjoying the tree lighting festival?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Are you making an ornament?
Yeah.
Ooh, can I see? What is it?
It is Santa's sleigh.
Cool. And I see how you used a nice combination of greens and blues and grays and brown. Beautiful.
All over town, all over town, all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down and we live up. How about the hills of white?
This just in, folks. I am very allergic to horses, so I'll be over here. So it's really cold outside. What are you doing to stay warm?
I'm like dancing around and singing Christmas songs.
Tree turns to life. And the holidays
You're really good friends. We had a great time here in the center of Wayne. I'm Cassie Rosen here for Rad TV. Back to you.